Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is good and safe at home. So, let's start the syllabus. Okay, so we have finished lesson 1, that is playing the game. So, it was beautiful lessons. Okay, it was a motivational lesson, and soon I am going to send the answer for those things. And so, today let's start the second lesson. That lesson name is My Greatest Prize. It is also a motivational lessons to you all. Okay. So before that, just warm up something. So warm up something means we'll just read here something. What is it? Take this little quiz to find out how much you know about the Olympic game. So this all is regarding about Olympic game. What is that? This all is regarding about Olympic game. Okay. Choose the correct answer for each questions. So here I am only reading the questions. Okay. In which city was the first modern Olympic game held? Okay. And how frequently are the Olympic games held? Second question. In which year was the first modern Olympic game held? Regarding this, we can search in net also, and we can see in the lesson also. By seeing, we'll just see. Okay. Let's begin the story. Lesson. Start with a person called Hitler. Hitler is not that person. Okay. So because you are thinking that Hitler is that old German person. That's not this. Hitler, the Führer leader of Germany, had declared that his athletic were better because they were from the greater race. So here the person is Hitler was a leader of Germany. Okay, has declared his athletics were better because they were from the greater. Everyone was out to prove him wrong and do their national proud. Okay, so that Hitler, he was saying that everyone is going only for the race, but everyone was out to prove that. So, but people were eagerly waiting that this person, whatever he is saying, we prove them he is wrong. For 6 years, Jesse Owens had trained, okay, rigorously for this. He was confident about winning a couple of events, especially the long jump. A year back, as a student, he had set the world record for its at 26 feet and 8 and 1/4 inch. Everyone thought he would easily win. So the height was, there was a competition for in Olympic. So long jump. What is that? Long jump. Long jump. It was 26, 8, 1/4. That is means distance. Okay, that long jump distance. At the practice, the tall German guy named Louis Long was doing 26 feet. Okay, here one more called Louis Long. Name is Louis Long. Was trying to jump at 26 feet during his period. Apparently, he was Hitler's secret weapon to prove RN superiority. Owens wanted to show race did not matter by performing better, but an angry athletic is not a good one. Yes, see the word. It's a good word to all of us also. It's a beautiful word. What is that? Angry athlete is not a good one. Means if you are angry on something, if you are angry while doing something, so you may not succeed. Okay, it means it is tough to you also. An angry athlete is not a good one. Means you cannot win the things easily. Okay. In his first two qualified jumps, he folded by leaping from several centimeters behind the takeoff board. So means before he tried twice, thrice, but he failed before that one. Okay. Only the third jump was left, and if he folded, he wouldn't qualify for the event, leave alone winning race. So in what happened in the third jump? In third jump, he did the things. So just I read once again. Hitler the Furious, or the leader of Germany, had declared that his athletes were better because they were from the greatest race. But everyone was out to prove that wrong. So everyone was waiting that he is wrong and do their nation proud. And for 6 years, for 6 years, Joshua Owens had trained rigorously for this. He was confident about winning the couple of events, especially the long jump. That person name is so Joshua Owens was the person and was believing that so he would jump more than 26 feet. Sorry. At the present, you know about the athletic game, Olympic game, where it is next year going to be, because of this lockdown, so it may be postponed. So at the practice, a tall German guy named Louis Long was doing 26 feet. So one more person was doing long 26 feet. Apparently, he was Hitler's secret weapons to prove RN superior. Owing wanted to show race did not matter by performing better. But an angry athlete is not a good one. Right? Just only have written. Angry athlete is not a good one, means he is not a good player. In his first two qualifying jumps, he floated by the leaps and from the several centimeters beyond the takeoff board. So what he did? So in his two attempts, so he was crossed 26 and he was trying to say 26.814, means more than this one. But he failed twice. In practice matches. But in only the third jump was left. And if he folded, then he wouldn't qualify for the event and leave alone winning the things. And in third attempts also, he just failed. Owing friend frustrated and angry with himself. What happened after this? In third practice also, he did not do much. What he did is in third practice also. In second two practices he failed, and in third practice he tried but not reached to the mark. So he was frustrated and angry with himself. As he was walking away from the pit, Louis Long came and said friendly, "Hello." They shook hands and Long asked Owen what was bothering him. "You should be able to qualify with your eyes closed," his friend was saying. So after this third jump, so this Zeus went to his friend and he greeted, "Hi friends, hello." So they both made handshake, means shook hands, and Long asked questions. So after that they asked question, what was bothering him? So means what is the matter? Why he is upset? Why he is not speaking properly? Then his friend said, "You should not be able to qualify with your eyes closed." So that person told him, so you cannot win the game or you cannot fix the goal by closing your eyes. Means to achieve goal, to win a game, you should be open. So means your eyes should be open. "Believe me, I know," Owen told him, and it felt good to say that to someone. They had a small chat, and without being told, Long understanding what was disturbing Owens. His friend told, believe me. Yes, I believe in you. Okay, I believe in you that you can do better in next attempt. But thing is that while doing the things, while practicing the things, while attempting or while playing the game, you should open your guys towards the target. Okay, and they had a discussion, little bit discussion, and they didn't speak much. They didn't speak much, but even though they spoke valuable things, valuable chatting. Okay, Long did not believe that their race or any race was better than any other. Okay, Long means not that word. Long means this person. Long means this person. So was saying, so it is not a things that I do always better. Sometimes I may also fail, sometimes I may also fall somewhere. So there is always a person to lift us. There is always a person to inspire us. Was better than anyone. They joked about how he looked the perfect Aryan specimen, thought in inches tall than wing. Okay. See, so they are making jokes. They are cutting jokes. They are how they are joking means how they are speaking in a funny way. In one day, in a day means one day in participant. Then there was a competition and competition was going on. So on that time, the person was running along with him, and he was too tall than these jokes. So they were making this and telling and sharing these things. He had a lean and muscles frame, clear blue eyes, bold hairs, and strongly handsome, chiseled face. So he was telling about the person who was tall, who was blue eyes, was a blonde hairs, means long hairs, long hands, like that he was saying. Look, he said when Owen had climbed down, why don't you draw a line few inches at the back of the board and aim at making your takeoff from there. So why don't you do like this? How? Next time if you go for practice, just come before or you run little bit more, you practice little bit more. You will be sure that not fold, or you certainly ought to jump far enough to qualify. What does it matter if you are not a first in the trial? Tomorrow is what counts. Yes, it's very inspirational word. Okay. What matters if it is not going well today? What matters if it is not working today? And tomorrow is ours. Definitely tomorrow is ours. Tomorrow God may give us one more chance, or tomorrow will get definitely one more chance if you practice well today. Okay. So if you get tomorrow also chance, again tomorrow if you are not doing, then that will be problem to you all. Again, God may not give the chance to you all, because so many persons, so many human beings, so many souls are waiting for the opportunities, so they may get the chance. So if something is not working today, something is not working today, think that it is meant for tomorrow. Okay, don't lose your hopes, don't lose your patience, believe in God and believe in your practice, believe in your hard work. So definitely it is going to give fruitful to the next day. So his friend was saying, he was saying that only. What does it matter if you are not the first in the trial? Tomorrow is what counts. Okay. So again, Owen relaxed as he realized the wisdom of his words. Confident, he took the third practice jump from the full foot behind the board and qualified easily. Yes, beautiful lesson. So by his friend words, he got inspired. For his friend words, he got inspired, and next day he tried. And he get succeeded. So because of his friend words, because of his friend's motivational, because of his friend's supports, in next day, in real practice, in real game, in third jump, so he did the clear. Okay friends, chalo continue. So that night Owen went over to long room in the Olympic village to thank him, and they ended up chanting of 2 hours about the varieties topics. By the time Owen left and Junior's friendship had formed between them, if it hadn't been for long, Owen later said he wouldn't have even qualified for the long jump for the next day. Though he was competing again and against the Owen, long waiting him to perform his better even when it means Owen could win and Long could lose. So this is what remember. Owen could win. This means Owen. Owen could win and Long could lose. Long could okay. Here Owen is nothing but this person. Here Long is nothing but this person. So they become very good friends and they are trying to make and trying to best come out from their things. Okay, so after winning the game, so this Owen won the game and just went to Long personally to the village and to say thanks to him. Okay. At the event, Louis broke his past record. Yes, this pushes owing to his peak performance. At the instant he landed from his final jump, the one which set the Olympic record 26.516 inch, he was at Owen's side, congratulating him while Hitler glared at them from the stands. Not even 100 meters away, Long shook Owen's hand with the genius wand. Okay, so that lose. Okay, lose means L-U-Z. That one more person, one more athletic person. Okay, so he broke the record of this goals. And again, before Hitler, he went to that person and shook the hands and said, very congratulations to you. So you broke my record and created one more history by winning the game. Louis Long was epic was of what patterns D. Cobbett, founded of the modern Olympic game, must have had in mind what he said. The important things in the Olympic game is not winning but taking part. Yes, the beautiful words from this person is the important that in the Olympic game. What is that? The important that in the Olympic game is not winning, but taking part. So always remember, my dear students, this word applies to all of us also. Okay? If you are practicing, if you are doing better, if you are doing your studies well, then there is a definitely chance of getting more score. If you are not studying, if you are not doing your work, and don't expect that I will score more marks. It's not like that. But if you practice well, if you read well, if you write well in the exams and all those things, definitely so you will get a good score. If you are not studying, if you are writing by seeing here and there, so you are not going to win the game. You may get pass, but not the winning game. Okay. So the essential things in life is not conquering but fighting well. Yes. So it means essential things. Life is very short. It is not always meant for fighting. It's always meant for fighting well. Okay. In addition to winning the long jump, Juice won 3 more gold medals in Berlin in 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters. Jesus won world record in the long jump was not broken for 25 years. Yes. See, in long jump, again after this match he took 3 more gold medal by jumping 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, and he made a world record. What is that? He made world record. So not broken for 25 years. See, up to 25 years his name was roaming here and there. Okay. So he was the most successful athletic in 1936 Olympic. In his honor, the government of United States of America grants the Jussi Olin award to the best track and field athletic of the year. Yes, beautiful words to him. In the year 1936, United States of America, USA has recognized and made honor, okay, and give so much of respect, so much of honorable awards and all those things as the best track and field athletic of the year. So this all the beautiful lesson is about this Owen. Okay, so Ron was a friend. Okay, so he break the record. He only broke the record of his and he failed in 2 times in practice, and his friend went to him and said, so this you have to do for the next time. Again that friend did the same thing, and at last in the third attempt means in the live game only, he jumped and won the game. And after that he consequently means continuously won the 3 gold medals for 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, and made world record until 25 years, means up to 25 years this world record was not broken by anyone. And with this successful game, United States of America has given awards, honor, respect, so much things, and given a name, a best track and field athletic of the year. I hope students this lesson is very easy to you all, and it is very understandable to you all. I tell only one word here, 1 or 2 words here. What I say? Again and again you see the videos, because so many of you are not having the books and if you are having book, that is well and good. By seeing the book you can see the video, you will understand better. If not, again you take 1 more chance, 2 more chance, and take more might take more time and practice well. Okay, soon I am going to send the question answers for these lessons. So I hope you understood the lesson and you enjoyed the class. So with the same spirit, with the same smile, so again I will meet you soon on Thursday. Okay, thank you so much and take care, be safe.